In 1896, Henry Flagler built the first railroad station that reached Biscayne Bay, thereby making it the largest and most accessible harbor on Florida's east coast. To further develop the area surrounding the Miami Railroad Station, Flagler built streets, instituted the first water and power systems, and financed the town's first newspaper. When the town incorporated in 1896, its citizens wanted to honor the man responsible for the city's development by naming it Flagler. He declined the honor, persuading them to keep the city's old Indian name, Miami. Fast forward more than a century, and now you have modern-day Miami, one of the fastest-growing cities in the United States, comprised of over 2.5 million residents dispersed throughout 35 cities as part of Miami-Dade County. With such growth throughout our municipalities, great responsibility and vision is required to sustain a healthy quality of life for all of our residents. In 1953, the Miami-Dade League of Cities was formed for the purpose of assisting its members in cultivating and maintaining the most proficient ways of administering government for the general welfare of its residents and business in the county.